Okay, so today we are going to be working on a Clean Machine Simpson 2300 PSI pressure washer. Okay, it appears to be seized. You plug it in and it just kind of buzzes when you flip the switch. We're going to break the pump apart. Looks like it's these two screws here. See if we can free it up. If we can't do it from there, then it looks like we're going to have to take these 4 screws to pull the full pump off. Unfortunately, you can't just pull the pump off as one piece, because there are 2 screws right back there that you can't get at. So we'll start with these 2 and go from there. Okay, so we pulled the 3 screws. That is a 5mm. There is actually 1, 2, 3. And we're going to pry this puppy off and see what we got. Alright, so that looks like the pump unit there. They oscillate back and forth, up and down maybe. So I don't think we're going to get it freed up from there, so we're still going to take that off just to see if the motor is good or it's just the pump. Alright, so what we've done is we've taken them 4 screws off and pulled this unit off, the pistons, which there appears to be a oscillating, I don't know the correct terminology for that, but this is an uneven surface that rides on those roller bearings there and makes those pumps oscillate, which in turn goes into this here, which I assume is check valves in there that pumps your water at high pressure. We tried breaking it loose here. The motor is still seized, so now we will take this off and see what's behind there. Pretty sure the motor is just locked up. Alright, so we opened that up, we slid that off, put a pair of vice grips on there, tried to break it loose. Not sure if it's that bearing or the other bearing, but this motor is definitely locked up. So I'm not sure if I'm just going to scrap it or maybe pull the other end off and see what I can do, but for now, that's the guts of inside your electric pressure washer. Not sure if all pressure washers are like that, but that's what this one is. Again, you got your oscillating wheel there, which makes your little pistons move. Goes into there with your check valves. Probably does some other stuff, more technical stuff, but that's the basic rundown. If I get it going, maybe I'll post a video of that too, but it's probably going to be scrapped. To add on to the other little segment, I pulled the top cover off just to see what was going on in there, and this is just filled with water in here. There's no drainage holes or anything. It just goes right into the casing and the windings of the motor, and it's just almost filled to the top there. I mean, I guess they could have had like a rubber O-ring here or something, but there's nothing. So when this thing is left out, any water that does seep in there basically just fills up and goes into the motor. You know, this could have failed, the seal in there, around the screws, anything. So that shot, it was interesting to see what's inside. And oh well, because I'll break it down, it'll be scrap.